Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have the fourth in a series of 6 coins that are being housed in this album. The album is called Ships, British Virgin Islands 2022. The first of them actually came out in 2021, and so far we have the Golden Hind, the Santa Maria and the HMS Rhone. The fourth one in the set is the RMS Rhone. Now, this pouch holds the coin. All these coins will come in these blue pouches. And what I'll do is I will bring you in. There we go. We have the British Virgin Islands, we have Queen Elizabeth II and the date of 2022. The portrait is a JC portrait. It's not the one that's on our normal coinage, but it is the one that the British Virgin Islands are currently using. On the back we have the $1 that denotes the value of the coin. We have a picture of the island, the British Virgin Islands, which is that map going across the top there. We have the name of the ship underneath the waves for the sea. The waves for the sea, and then the name of the ship, RMS Rhone. And then we have, sailing on the sea, the sail, it's in full sail, of RMS Rhone itself. RMS Rhone itself. Now, reading from the description in the album, RMS Rhone was a UK Royal Mail ship owned by the Royal Mail Steam Packet Company, originally covering the mail route between Southampton in the United Kingdom and Rio de Janeiro. In 1867, the Rhone was transferred from the Caribbean to the Caribbean route. In October 1867, the ship was wrecked off the coast of Salt Island during a hurricane, and is now a popular dive site, with the area surrounding her now turned into a national park. Rhone has received a number of citations and awards over the years as one of the top recreational wreck dives in the Caribbean. So, eventually Rhone was sunk just a couple of years after doing the main route that the British Virgin Islands is on, through to Rio, eventually up to Rio. It went across the Caribbean and was sunk, and has now become a wreck that people dive on. I'm sure there's plenty of wildlife also that has taken over, and I'm sure that it's the wood and any iron that's in it has been fully reintegrated it back into the natural environment. What do you think of the coin? I actually like this coin. I think the map is a bit close to the masts for my liking. I would like the map of the country to be moved further up maybe, and that maybe the $1 would be put, say, over here instead of over here, and then you could have moved the map up, because there is a slight clash with the top of the mast and part of the islands group, and it would have been better if it was moved up a little bit. It would have been clearer, and then you could have put the $1 over here somewhere. But that's just aesthetics. I think the ship coin itself is very good, and I enjoy it. I've enjoyed it, and I'm enjoying this series and collecting this series. There's no problem at all about, at this moment in time, with any of the coins, with them with them toning or anything like that. And there's currently, let me just go out a little bit, whoops, the other way. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, those are the 4 coins. Golden Hind, the Santa Maria, HMS Rhone, and RMS Rhone. Have you got this set? Are you collecting this set? There's just 2 more to go. There'll be one in February, one in March and one in April. If the order continues as it has been, the next one we can expect to see is HMS Nymph, and then the one in April will be HMS Formidable. As I say, I've enjoyed collecting this set, and I hope that you've enjoyed the videos I've produced about this set of coins. If you have enjoyed the video, could you please give me the thumbs up, as it helps with the overall tools that YouTube use to decide whether to put you in front of different viewers who've not seen your work before. My aim this year is to grow the channel. I make no bounds about it. The algorithm, it was the word I was looking for, that YouTube uses both likes and subscriptions that you have to help guide and put you in front of new people who've not seen your work before. So if you have enjoyed this and you have watched a few of the episodes, or even if it's your first time and you believe that my channel deserves your subscription, I would be absolutely delighted to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes and other bits and pieces that I have going on. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you get the coins that you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. And finally from me, thank you very much for coming and watching the video. I produce 4 videos a week, so you have plenty of material to view. And I hope very soon to see you again at this channel, and that I can enjoy your company and you'll enjoy my videos. And until we meet up again, which I hope will not be too long in the distant future, from me, bye bye. Bye bye now. Ta-da.